Hey friends, if you encounter the error Microsoft Store acquiring license error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to sync the date and time. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time, click on sync now and wait till you get a tick mark here. The next one is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. And finally, re-register the Microsoft Store. We have a command line for you. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Expand this list. Click on Run as Administrator. Yes, and paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.